Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am revamping this old wig, and honestly it was looking really rough, dry, frizzy, and the coils were completely gone. After washing the hair, I expected the coils to bounce back, but they did not. It was still frizzy and lifeless. So I decided to try a simple one-step method using anti-jackie coils product, and let me tell you, this changed everything. For easy process, you need to use warm water to mix the anti-jackie coil products so that it's going to melt the product on time, and it won't take time when you shake the bottle. All I did was to apply the product section by section. This part is very important. Do not rush it. Work in section so everything strand get enough moisture. The spray bottle I wanted to use was not working well, so I transfer it into another spray bottle. As you can see, the coils are already coming back to life. They look more defined, soft and shiny. And the best part, these coils actually last. They don't just fall at all after drying. This method is super easy, beginner friendly, and perfect if you want to bring your old wig back to life without stress. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And let me know in the comments, have you ever tried reviving an old wig like this before? Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you watch to the end to see the final result of this amazing revamp wig. See you in my next video. Stay blessed. Make sure you watch to the end. Bye. Watch to the end. Don't mind me. Thank you so much for watching.